going?
It's on.
Where are we going this time? East Coast. Oh, madman. Well, so far, we've driven through 3 states: Texas, Colorado, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and now we're in Arkansas. We stopped by, we said hi to Bill. He had security throw us off the property. I don't think he remembers who we are, even though we didn't vote for him. We dropped a defenseless kitten off after it pooped, even though it begged for mercy. Richard, he had nothing to offer. Left it caged inside of its pen with food just a paw's grasp away, but unreachable. Almost hit a wall, fallen asleep at the wheel, but luckily I drank four or five cups of tea and it woke me up with a green and black chocolate bar. I've eaten enough saturated fat to kill 4 elephants on this trip so far. It's alright though, 'cause well, I went to my big toe and I took my shoe off, so we don't have a problem there. I'm just using that to push down the gas pedal. Dog's been sleeping in the back seat here now for 3 days through all 6 states we've driven through. And you know, we're running low on food, we're running low on gas money. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we'll keep you updated. That's the end of the update, Josh.